Hey guys, it's Brandon with Rustic Wood Work. Today we're going to show you how we assemble our flags. Our flags have 13 strips, 1 union. When we assemble our flags, we actually place all the wood on a homemade jig that we made for our flags. The jig is really good since we make a lot of flags. We'll put glue on each strip on one side of the strip. After we get glue on all 13 strips, we will then place them together. We'll also put glue around the union. We then will put it in a jig. We'll place clamps on the flag to align the wood as best as we can. After that, we will let it set for about 35-45 minutes, and then we will go ahead and take the clamps off. We'll flip it over, and we will actually put 4 strips on the back to hold it together. You do not want to put your strips on the back when the clamps are still on the flag, because if you do put your back strips on while the clamps are on, your flag is going to have a bow in it. So it's important to go ahead and take the clamps off and then flip it over and then put the 4 strips on the back. All the wood here, we're going to go ahead and set the wood up and make sure all the pieces line up good together. And I'm real picky about the wood grain, so that's the reason why I buy the wood that I do and split the wood, because you match the wood grain, it just makes the flag look so much better. So now I'm going to turn all the pieces up on their edges. When you're applying the glue, you want a level coat of glue on each piece, because once you put the clamps on it and tighten it up, the glue will come on the outside and it's hard to get off. Lined up really good. Now I can hit the clamps. Always lay all mine out before I start with them. I use 5 clamps. I've got a small shop to work with here, so that's kind of working against us, but oh well, it's a shop. So that's how we actually assemble our flags. The way we do it is we do a large batch of everything. So when we bring the wood in, we cut it to the sizes that we need. We then rip them, run them through planers, run them through a joiner. We then sand the top of them, get it really fine. Take it to the next room where we'll paint what colors we need to paint, and then we'll set them up and let them dry for a couple days. And then after we got everything done, we then get all the unions and everything out, and we start assembling the flags. As soon as we get all of our empty spaces filled, we will then back off and we'll start over again. It's just an ongoing deal. So alright guys, we're going to go ahead and take the clamps off, flip it over, and staple the strips on the back and move on to the next step. All I do is got to lay the back strips down and they're good to go. There's no measuring. I've already measured it all. Just cuts out a lot of time. So then I'll take a little spacer and I will place it back here at the back. So, because you want a little gap here, so you do not, when you clean the bottom up on a joiner, you don't come across and hit one of these pieces and it breaks it. Alright guys, we got all 4 of the strips stapled down. We'll go ahead and flip it over and get ready to pull it out. Flip it over. See, they're all evenly, and then we'll clean up the sides after we get done here. Always flip it over, put our stamp on the back of it. Guys, that's it. And like I say, we'll clean the rest of that up, but that's going to be one go into the next paint booth. We'll put the stars on it, put a coat of polyurethane on it, and it'll be ready to go. I appreciate y'all watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you have not yet, please hit the subscribe button below, and we'll see you next time. We have a website, rusticwoodwork.org. You can order your flags, your stencils, whatever you need there. If we don't have it on our website, just shoot us a message or give us a call. We'd like to thank Brian for making the sign, rusticwoodwork.org. He did a really good job. Brian has his own YouTube channel as well. It's Smoky CNC Woodworks. If you'd like to see some of his work on his CNC machine, go to Smoky CNC Woodworks. He's got several videos. I bet you'll find one that you enjoy. We'll see you next time.